Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosine x dx. Next, this one we change by u cosine x dx we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have 3 to the power of u over ln number 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sin x. Now let's go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. Sin x dx we change by negative du. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.